What's up guys, we're here in Jersey City again. We're here to show you a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo in Bergen Lafayette. We are on Gardner Street. This is 34 Gardner Avenue. If you're new to our channel and want to know all of what's going on in Jersey City and New Jersey surrounding areas, feel free to click the like, subscribe, and bell notification so you can know what's going on around here. And without further ado, let's come on in. So we are entering from the side entrance, and this is because the builders wanted it to be a separate entrance from the upper unit. So you have your own little private entrance here. And you also get the backyard. Wow. As we walk in, you can just tell everything is so put together. Even if the furniture weren't in this space, you can just tell by the wood that they selected, the colors of everything, where they placed the wood, that everything just comes together. So I want to show you this entrance as well. This is where the garage is. And the builders made it so that if you wanted to drive in and bring some groceries in, you can just drive the car right up to your entrance. So this space right here is a 2-car non-tandem parking. Typically new construction condos are tandem parking, meaning that it's parked back and forth or right behind one another. That's how new constructions go here in Jersey City, just because there's not enough space to create a wide garage. However, this one is side by side. And the builders also placed this mudroom here. This is something that you don't really see in new construction condos. You have a closet just for your coats and your shoes, and a custom bench as well. Walking into this beautiful kitchen here, we have a lovely contrast of the blue-gray quartz countertops with the oak-colored cabinets, which you can see highlighted throughout the whole entire living space. You have a microwave down here. Everything is soft close. This is a hidden dishwasher. And if you look up here, you do have a lot of cabinet space, but it doesn't go all the way up to the ceiling just because, let me just turn this on real quick. As you can see, you have the light up here. The builders really wanted to create this luminance up top instead of putting cabinets all the way up top. And it still has a pretty good ceiling height, so. Oh, one beautiful thing about this. So they really wanted to showcase luxury here. This is like a snippet of a multi-million-dollar home in the suburbs. You don't really see these in new construction condos. You have a 6 stovetop burner with, and it's all Bosch. Beautiful, beautiful appliances. The fridge is also Bosch, and you have a pot filler here as well for your convenience. And then you have a vent and some lights here. Okay. Moving on, we have a bathroom here for guests, small washroom. Of course, we have HVAC throughout. We have a floating sink there. And let's take a look at the floors real quick. These are hard engineered floors. And if you wear heels inside the house or you spill some water and you leave it there for some time, the floors will not warp. So they're really sturdy. And yeah, this dining table right here allows enough space, or this space allows the dining table to be here. If you did want to eat at the breakfast nook, you can. However, I think a dining table is quite necessary in a home. You have these beautiful Anderson windows. As you can see, they stretch all across this wall. And it just feels like a indoor-outdoor kind of California vibe here, where you have, in the summer you can open the doors and really have guests here. and host. So this space is really to host your friends. You have a beautiful backyard there. If you do end up purchasing this, if you look outside right there, right now the landscaping is not done. However, if you wanted to custom the landscape, once you purchase it, the builders are willing to do that. If not, they'll just make it however they plan to. Let's take a walk over here. We have the wine bar, beautiful quartz countertop once again, and they lined it with the wood, and you have nice shelving to display or to store things. All these appliances right here come with the house, so that's great. You have a nice wine fridge. You could store lots of bottles here. Plenty of storage space. Let's check out the soft close. Do you see it? Okay. So before I move on, it doesn't turn on. Before we move on, this condo is $850,000. With parking, it is $885,000. Okay, let's go upstairs. The living space, the hosting space, is beautifully separated from the bedrooms. These are really nice high ceilings, and as you can see throughout the space, you'll have these 8-foot doors. Typically, it's about 7 or 6 feet and like 8 inches, but they wanted that really luxury feel to expand the entire space all the way up to the ceilings. This is the primary bedroom here. You do have the luminance of the lights and recessed lighting throughout. And you also have a beautiful lamp fixture. Right here you have a huge window. This is one of my favorite parts about any property. It's just the huge windows and the high ceilings. It makes you feel like, you know, you're more in an open space rather than in 4 closed walls. You have 2 closet spaces for each individual. And another one here, custom built shelves. Okay. You also have this, what is this called? You have this beautiful design here, just like these fixtures or structures on the wall. Really elevates the look. Here is the primary bathroom, double vanity, stand and shower, and they put the lights inside the shower. Everything in the entire house is cohesive. In terms of the bathrooms, you have this gold accents everywhere, and with the door handles you have black, so there's like a big contrast in this house. They played it nicely where there isn't really like that stark white feel, but it still feels clean and elevated. So this is one of my favorite pieces of the home. It looks like a horn. And yeah, this is the second bathroom on the floor. It's gone into this second bedroom. Again, we have the beautiful large windows. And here you can fit a queen bed. So did I say 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms? It's actually 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. You have your washer dryer here, LG appliances. Closet space, another linen closet. And for the last bedroom, this is the same size as the second bedroom. Decent closet space. Oh, I want to show you something. Come here. So all the closets have this chain that's connected to the door so that the door doesn't slam into the wall. I've never seen anything like it. Quite cool. Now, I hope you liked whatever you're seeing here. This is pretty different from a lot of the new constructions that we show. So something like this, the entrance would be on the same floor as the upstairs unit, so you'd probably bump into your neighbor more often than you would do here. And the bottom unit here is all just for hosting, and there's no bedroom here. However, in a lot of new constructions that we see, you walk in and there's a living room, kitchen, and then the bedrooms in the back, and then downstairs is like another open space. But yeah, tell us what you think about this unit. Oh yeah, and if you're moving in 9 or 90 days, feel free to call, text, DM us. We'll be happy to help you out to make a smooth transition here in New Jersey. And we'll see you next time. Bye.